Namaste friends, welcome to Vedic Astral Science. Let us continue our discussion on classifications of Rasis. Okay, in the last video we covered the topic of Dwar, Vahi and Garbha, a classification of Rasis on the basis of different locations. If you want to know in detail about that topic, please watch the previous video. Okay, so in today's class, we are going to discuss the classification of Rasi on the basis of kingdom. Okay, I have highlighted the column so you can easily refer to the table and understand what I am talking about. So here you can see that all the 12 Rasis are categorized in three groups. Okay, Dhatu, Mool and Jeev. In same way, as we saw for the classification in location column. Okay, we categorized the rasis in Dwar, Vahi and Garva. Okay, so Chara Rasi represents Dhatu. All the fixed signs belong to Mool group and all the dual signs belong to Jeev group. Okay, so this is basically the topic which we are going to discuss today. It is about Dhatu, Mool and Jeev concept. So let me change the slide again friends and please concentrate on this slide now. Okay. So here you can see on the heading I have written classifications of Rasis by kingdom. Okay. In Hindi which will be धातु मूल जीव के आधार पर राशियों का विभाजन. Okay. So now we will look into all these three aspects of Rasis which are Dhatu Mool Jeev one by one. I am highlighting the portion which you need to focus on right now. Okay. So here you can see the most shortest meaning is written for every word here. Like Dhatu means metal, soil or mineral kingdom. Okay. All the Chararasis belong to Dhatu group. Then comes Mool, plant or herbal kingdom. Okay. It represents plant or herbal kingdom. All the fixed sign represents Mool category and Jiva. Jeev means species, okay, or animal kingdom in general. All the dual signs belong to Jiva category. Okay. Okay. Now what we will do, we will look in detail of the explanations of Dhatu, Mool and Jeev or various other meanings of these three words. Okay. So now please refer to the highlighted portion friends. Okay. I will be explaining one by one. So here you can see Dhatu can mean metal, earth, soil, minerals, gemstones like pearl, emerald, etc. Crystals, mining products like coal, manganese. Okay. Sapta Dhatu in Ayurveda, they are bones, marrow, blood, plasma, muscles, semen and fat tissue. And Dhatu can also represent Ashtadhatu in metallurgy. Okay. Ashtadhatu means 8 types of metals. They are gold, silver, copper, lead, zinc, tin, iron and mercury. And don't confuse this mercury with planet Mercury. This is the liquid mercury which we use in thermometers. Okay. Now let us see the meanings of mool. Okay. So mool means root, plant, herbs of medicinal and agricultural value, crops, agricultural products, and cause. Okay. Jeev means living beings, life, animals, pets, all the human significations, okay, or relationships like mother, father, brother, sister, and so on, and all the existing species of any kind, okay. So they are categorized in Jiva, or they are the meaning of Jiva. So friends, we have discussed about which Rasi falls in which group of this Dhatu Mool and Jiva division, and what they represent, okay, and their meanings, word meanings, etc. And now we will discuss about the application part of this concept. So here you can see in the highlighted portion that questions related to profitable profession, career, business, or source of income in Prashna Jyotish. Okay, so there we can use this concept. How? That I will show you later. Okay, for career or business consultation in natal horoscopy or Jatak Kundali. Okay, so for individual natives also we can use this concept when it comes to career consultation or business consultation. Okay, for predicting dasa results and transit or gochar results. Okay, questions related to medical astrology, mundane, and stock market. So guys, these are the areas of application of this concept. And now let us talk about some of these applications in detail. Okay, so that you can understand how to apply this concept of Dhatu, Mool and Jeev in practical level. So friends, please concentrate on the highlighted part. I am highlighting the next part again. So here you can see that I have written 5 types of techniques. Okay, there can be more techniques, several techniques. Okay, innumerable. So an astrologer should use his experience and his own methods and test and trial. Through test and trial they can experiment and delineate a chart. Okay, so here you can see in techniques that number one technique is about check the Karan Lord in Panchang or Prasna and natal chart. Okay, in every horoscope there is Panchang, the 5 limbs of astrology, which are Var, Tithi, Nakshatra, Yoga, and Karana. So Karan is very important when it comes to professional analysis. Okay. The next thing you have to do is to see the Rasi occupied by this Karan Lord and predict through the above concept. Okay. How to predict? I will explain later. Okay. In this video. So please follow. Now the technique number 2 is check the 10th Lord in Prashna chart or in natal chart, either from ascendant or moon, whichever is stronger. Okay, and then see the Rasi occupied by the 10th Lord and predict using the above concept. Okay, technique number 3 is check the Rasi occupied by Saturn. Why? Because Saturn is the Karak planet of profession or career. Okay, and also in transit. Okay, we can see the Rasi occupied by Saturn in transit also. Okay, and as well as in natal chart and predict using this concept, or we can also delineate by taking the sign in the 10th house from Saturn and also through the Rasi occupied by 10th lord from Saturn. Okay, so this technique number 3 is a little bit complex, but the concept is themes of 10th house are used to delineate a chart from career point of view, and Saturn is a Karak planet of career or profession. So that is why we are taking these two aspects here. Okay, Saturn and 10th house. And in the Kalpurus Kundali, the natural 10th house is also ruled by Saturn. Okay, 10th and 11th. 11th is the natural house of profit in Kalpurus Kundali. So those two are ruled by Saturn. Then let us look at the technique number 4. If the question is about business, we should take the Rasi occupied by Mercury. Why? Because Mercury is the significator planet for business and trading. Okay. And apply it as per the above concept. So we can also take the Rasi in 10th house or 7th house from Mercury and then follow the same technique. Okay. You have to identify the Rasi, that is in which category it falls, whether it is Dhatu, Mool or Jiva. Okay. And how to interpret this Dhatu, Mool, Jiva in professional level, that I will show you later. Okay. So you can apply the concept on practical level, right? And the point number 5, it is the scope of this concept can be extended to the Rasi in Arudha of 10th house or 810 also. Okay, so you have to simply find out the Rasi which falls in the A10, okay, or Arudha of 10th house. First you have to look from 10th house where the 10th lord is going, and then count from that sign, in whichever sign the 10th lord is posited, you have to go same distance. Okay, so you will find the pada or arudha of 10th house. So you have to simply take that rasi and identify whether it is dhatu, mool and or jiva. So like this we can develop more techniques. Here I have talked about the fundamental ones only. Okay, and now let us find out the income sources represented by dhatu, mool and jeev rasis. So let me change the slide now friends, and we can see the income sources, or you can say the sectors from which a native can earn money. Okay, so here you can see in dhatu group, which are Aries, Cancer, Libra and Capricorn. Okay, so if these signs are represented by the final result of the techniques which we have discussed before, okay, then you can say that the native has a scope of earning from the following sectors, which can be metal industry, blacksmith, goldsmith, jewelry shops, business of utensils, ordnance factory where weapons are being made, mining industry, business of gemstones and crystals, objects found inside sea. Okay, it can be inside earth also. Okay, mining is about inside earth, coal, railway industry, shipping industry, subjects like automobiles and metallurgy. Okay, medical surgeons, heavy engineering, medicines made from minerals, gas and mineral oil, etc. Okay, now let us see the Mool group, which are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio and Aquarius. If the final Rasi from the techniques which we have learnt before belongs to Moola category, okay, then you can say the following can be the source of income. These can indicate the source of income for the natives. What are they? You can see here that plant products, rice, wheat, etc. from farming, agriculture department, nursery, okay, vegetable shop, wine shop, alcohol, drug, poison, income from fruits and flowers, herbal medicines, Ayurveda, occult, tantra, scientific research, bioenergy, okay, because bioenergy can use both the energy of plant, and it can use energy of animals also, okay. So we will find this bioenergy in both Mula group and Jiva group. Subjects like history and botany, this also belongs to Mool group. Okay. Okay. So Mula can represent ancient texts also. Okay. So through these means a native can earn money. Okay. Let's say you get Jiva Rasi by applying the previous techniques. Okay. On either of these four rasis, Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius or Pisces. Then you can say that the native may work with his relatives, okay, for welfare of human beings, because Jiva means species in general or living beings in general, okay. So this kind of works can be delineated. Profit from living beings, animal products, it can be dairy, meat shop, honey, anything, okay. Butter is also dairy product, by the way. Okay, then pet shop, okay, aquarium house, especially if it is Pisces, then the native can earn from aquarium house, okay. Then comes medical or nursing subjects like zoology, okay, veterinary and department, bioenergy, healing, medicines or drugs made from animals, okay, venom of snakes is used in making medicines, and several other animals are also used. Okay friends, now let us move to the next slide and see how can we apply this concept in predicting dasa results, okay. So generally what happens is, if the dasa lord is afflicted or badly placed or somehow became malefic for the native, then the dasa period shows bad result, okay. It can represent harm of any kind, loss of something, suffering, etc. And on the other hand, if the Mahadasa Lord or Antardasa Lord is beneficially disposed with adequate strength, then good results like profit, gain, growth, prosperity, and happiness should be expected. Okay, then the question comes that if it is indicating a loss, then what kind of loss will it be? Or loss of what? Or suffering from what? If it is profit, then profit from what? Or gain of what? Okay. Or happiness from what? Like that. So what you have to do? You have to simply check the Rasi occupied by the Dasa Lord. Suppose someone is running the Dasa of Venus or planetary period of Venus, then you need to find out the Rasi occupied by planet Venus. So let's assume Venus is occupying movable signs, okay, or Chara Rasis or Dhatu category. Then it can indicate that in Venus Mahadasa or Antardasa, native may incur loss of gold or metallic objects precious gems, okay, or he can get injured by metallic objects in that period if Venus is badly placed or afflicted in the natal chart, right? If the planet is favorably disposed or beneficially disposed, okay, the planet is a benefic planet for the native, then opposite results can be expected or good result will prevail. That's what we can say. Okay. Now let's assume that Dasa Lord planet has occupied a fixed sign, okay, or Sthira Rasi or Mool category. Then it can show loss of agricultural products, crops, fruits and vegetables if that planet, that Dasa Lord is afflicted in the birth chart or badly placed in the birth chart. If it is opposite, it is well placed and strong, then good results will prevail in these areas that native may gain from agricultural products or crops, fruits and vegetables. His business may flourish in those periods. Okay. Now let's say if the Dasa Lord is occupying a dual sign or Dvaita Rasi or Jiva category. Okay. So it can mean loss of life or loss of relatives, friends, animals, livestock, cattle, pet, etc. Or native himself can have problems or injury caused by them. Okay, and this is actually when the planet is badly placed or afflicted in the birth chart. If the planet is well placed and has adequate strength, then opposite results or good results will follow. Okay, so that's all for today, friends. Applications on medical astrology and stock market will be discussed in a separate video because those topics require longer time for discussion. Okay. In next video, we will discuss few more classifications of rasis and their applications also. Okay. And thank you for watching the video till the end and subscribe Vedic Astro Science for watching more astrological videos like this. Happy learning and stay fine.